Today we are going to park. What is that park name?
I forgot.
Foothill Park. They say, huh? Park? Oh, they said there is a food truck, so we are going to check food truck what they do have
Hey, that was nice.
with my niece, nephews. Come on, fish tacos. So there's a fish taco. Barbecue. Is that meatball? How's it good? Baby good? Ooh, look nice.
I want to finish it.
Oh, baby. Pick up the trashy.
I can't hit the Weezer pose. You need to bend down. I can't. Oh, it is okay. Let's get down a little bit. Get down a little bit. There you go.
Alright, everybody don't fart.
Wow.
Oh, too late.
Too late.
Yes.
I think we good.
Good.
Wait,
Enough.
This thing is I'm it's a Samsung picture.
Let's go. What does that smell? Today we are going to park. What is that park name?
I forgot.
Foothill Park. They say, huh? Park? Oh, they said there is a food truck, so we are going to check food truck what they do have
Hey, that was nice.
with my niece, nephews. Baby, lock the door. No, before you leave it.
I know. I'm turning around the car.
Okay. Turn this way. Oh, why you turn that way? Wow, look at that shit. So awesome.
You know this freaking golf cart is $100?
Really?
More than $100.
Yeah, more than it is.
I would assume it's more than
Maybe $300.
$1,000.
$1,000.
And a lot of pressure.
Hold it there.
So, in a launch,
Hold on.
Range will go with it. I could just let
Hey,
go.
where is your strap? I'm not gonna carry your phone. Where did you put?
A lot of pressure.
Let's go.
There's no insurance. Right?
No.
Right?
Go this way. I love how you guys do that.
Third. I thought it was third.
See you soon, Amaya.
I've
She's
been,
going fast.
I've been friends with Lauren since first.
Is it your friend gonna be there too?
Possibly. I think.
My friends are at the house.
Yeah,
Let's
I
go.
told Amani I'm gonna be at the park.
Drive safely, baby. See you soon.
I wish I did.
Hey.
That's interesting.
Woo, shit. What?
Hey, see ya. Bye.
Bye bye. See you soon. That is so fast.
Yeah, bro.
Who?
Help? Get off the gate!
Hey, do not play game when you walk crazy.
Sit.
Wait, what?
There's a food truck.
The booth. The bomb. Bro, my arm is burning.
Yeah, because it's hot. Hurry up, baby. Go to Oppa. Come on, fish tacos. So there's a fish taco. Barbecue. Oh, wow. Move. food. Almost is Thai food.
Bro, my posture is so good.
So you play here? Joshua, you play basketball here?
No, I don't play basketball.
He literally
I
said
walked 2
that.
laps. I walked 2 laps around there. I met up with my friend there. And we walked down to the fire all the way at the front.
Okay. Oh, baby, you want to cheers or just the Italian food?
Italian.
Okay, let's go Italian.
My hand is itchy.
Itchy, why?
Don't know.
Don't know.
Hi guys. I want shrimp. Why don't you want it?
What do you want?
What do they have?
Mexican, and then the fishy taco I see, and the barbecue Italian. Oh, no Thai food.
Just give me the fish taco.
Fishy taco fine?
Yep, with sauce on the side.
Is that meatball? How's it good? The baby good? Ooh, look nice.
I want to finish it.
Oh, baby, to pick up the trashy.
I want to finish it at home.
Okay. Show me. 1, 2, 3. Why are you feeding baby? So 1 cheese. No, okay, just pepperoni. Okay. Oh, that's all of the cheese. Hey, where is the napkin? Get the napkin. Baby, it looks like you drink alcohol with the bottle. How's it? You need to save for daddy a little bit. Do not say
I
no.
forgot this is his favorite drink.
Yeah, do not forget. Do not say, no, this is my drink. Mommy pay for. Maybe I need to buy for daddy? Do you
Sure,
think so?
why not?
Why not? Okay. Hammer time. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum.
Character to the point you start hallucinating.
This is our dinner. going home.
Try to be obsessed with a character to the point you start hallucinating them everywhere. Try.
Okay, see you soon, baby.
Okay, bye-bye.
Guys, watch Brandon Works on YouTube, guys. It's so peak. Trust me. If you don't have a short attention span, that's all. Quack, quack.
We are home. Too hot for it outside. Oh, perfect. Auntie Fedeli still home. Whew. You need the exercise. Wait, I'll give you
I'm taking a picture.
I can't hit the beater pose.
You need to bend down.
I can't.
Oh, it is okay.
Hold on. Is everybody in it?
No, this one has his head annoying.
Hold on. Your head, get down a little bit. Get down a little bit.
There you go.
All right, everybody, don't fart.
Wow.
Oh, too late.
Too late.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay.
Wait, I'm enjoying this.
This thing is
I'm
cool.
enjoying this.
It's a Samsung feature.
Let's go. What is that smell? Hey.
I would just like to put 2 balls. The one ball that I have on the table, the better, and you got 2 balls, I'm in the better spot. So I would say 3, you know.
I'm doing the move right now.
that couch on to fire? I don't see.
And because this is concrete, this doesn't have enough.
If they were outside of a car wash or a Home Depot or a bus stop. And so the judge
Car's on fire.
Oh my goodness.
press the government and say basically
Well, that's why they stopped it.
Because I was like, there's no way that there's no cars.
No, yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.